What is up, guys? Today we are doing a speed run test on both the new Haiboxing desert truck as well as the old Protector. The Protector is going to be box stock with all of the box electronics in there, and then the new desert truck is also box stock, but we're going to be running a 2S, the supplied 2S battery, and then a 3S battery. So we're just going to go ahead and put in our 2S battery here. Again, these are the stock 2S batteries, fully charged. And we are going to be using our trusty Milan M3 GPS. So anything that you see in this video, I will link down below so you can pick one up yourself if you want. I really stand by these GPSs. They're like 35 bucks. And they measure up to 100 miles an hour. So obviously we're not going to hit that with this thing, but yeah, they get the job done. So we are actually going to start the speed runs with the old Protector here. We'll get a baseline and then we'll see if the new and improved 2020 version is any faster. So as you saw, these batteries that come in here are the cylinder type batteries, and I don't really like them just because they take forever to charge compared to the stock 2S batteries in the new one. So again, we got our throttle trim, all that right there, and then after we're going to take it off the jump. So again, this is the stock battery as well as stock electronics, and this one comes in about the same price as the new one. They're both about 100 bucks, I think, and this is pretty slow, nothing too exciting. And we're just at 16 miles an hour. We'll give it one more run here. Now, I did a speed run video on this type of truck with these electronics with a standard 2S battery as well as a 3S battery. I will link that up in the top right hand corner so you can see. If you just do the battery connector mod, you can get actually some decent speed out of this. You got those front LEDs there, the friction shocks, and once again we're right at 16 miles an hour. All right, so we got our M3 GPS on top, the stock 2S battery, we got all those LEDs in there, and we'll see if the new version is any quicker. At first glance, I would say maybe a little. I would say maybe this is going 18 miles an hour. It's definitely a good looking truck. You can see those friction shocks have it just bouncing all around. That's top speed. Let's see what we got. 17.2. So the new 2020 version is almost exactly 1 mile an hour quicker. It feels it, not that I'm saying I can feel 1 mile an hour, but just looks a little bit quicker. That's full speed the whole way. $17 miles an hour exact. So 1 mile an hour faster than the old Protector for about the same price with some decent upgrades. If you saw the unboxing video, I'll link that one up above too. Let's go ahead and we'll throw in a 3S battery and see what kind of speeds we can get. Now, I wouldn't recommend doing the 3S upgrade. It seems like it works okay, but the motor does get very hot. On 2S, it's fine. We will go ahead and throw this one in here. These DHD powered ones fit directly in here, and I'm not sure if they are still available on Amazon or not, but I'll link a comparable battery to this down below. And for a quick and easy, you know, $10 mod, we'll see how much we get for a top speed increase. All right, so our 3S battery's in there, GPS is zeroed out. Let's give this thing a run on 3S. Way quicker, okay. Now this thing, even though it's got the friction shocks, it handles pretty well. Those tires are real grippy, even on asphalt. I'll give this thing a full 3S run here. That's full speed, pretty quick. I would say maybe 26 miles an hour. Oh, and our top speed is 25. All right, so we gained what, 7 miles an hour there. Not bad. Obviously, more speed is more fun. All right, so not a bad increase in speed with just a 3S battery. Like I said, do it at your own risk. It does make the car obviously a lot more fun. I noticed that the motor gets very hot on 3S, but you can always do the fan mod on the ESC to help out, and just watch the temps on the motor. So let's go ahead and we'll switch out this battery and we'll run it off the jump on 3S. All right, so this is 3S in the grass. And this thing rips. See if we can send it off the jump full speed. We'll see what kind of air we can get here. All right, that's full speed. Oh, wow. I'll put my GoPro in here. See if we can get some different types of shots. And it came loose. Did you see how far that went? Oh my god. All right, so this again, 3S full speed off the jump. Oh, that's a good 25 feet. This thing absolutely rips. Now, as you can see, it's really getting bogged down in this grass. It even got stuck there. And that's how you get the motor very hot too while doing that. So I wouldn't be driving this thing on thick grass like that anyways. I would say this is probably the thickest grass I would go through. And once it snows, we'll take it out in the snow too. See those friction shocks really keeping it planted, but it bounces definitely. We'll give this thing another rip here. Full speed. Oh, flies true in the air. That was full throttle the whole way. And it didn't even need much correcting. We'll give this another run here. This is fun. Little correction in the air. This on 3S, like I said, not recommended, but once you drive it on 3S, you can't not. Give it one more thing off the jump here. Oh, almost missed it. Very good air control. I like this. This might be my new favorite $100 basher. Very good air control. Oh, I'm getting a little bit of cutout, I will say. Oh, we got a wobbly wheel there. I'm getting a little bit of cutout. I'm not sure if that's because of the battery or what. We'll check motor temps here real quick. Now it's warm. Ooh, yeah, that's hot. Again, just be careful. So I'm gonna let this cool off. We'll throw another battery in it. See if you guys can really see the magnitude of this. And it's landing it, and it's still driving, which is the best part. So like I said before, this might be my new favorite $100 car on Amazon. Just taking a beating. Now I might eventually put some oil-filled shocks on it, or I'll just leave it running as is. But this thing's great. So guys, I think we're gonna leave the video here. I'm probably gonna keep running this thing until the battery dies at least. And we got some more cars coming up soon. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.